So this is a TT2 chassis from Tamiya. I also have the magnet mounts, so I'm going to use that because it sits pretty low, which is needed for the whole design to have it sitting a bit lower. Then I'm going to now start working on the tires, so that we're going to look at, and then I start working on opening up these holes. I'll probably leave it here, and then I can shave off this, and then here I can compensate and have more space here to make it look complete, because everything is going to come wider. Okay, cool. There we have it. We have the tires. To have the wide body and to have this opening up, so we have about 4 of them. If you look at the main image, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 that open like the flaps, plus the wide body. So I'll do the side and then see how it comes out. Okay, my people, there we've got the eyes of the tiger, something close to that. So not really bad. It wasn't a difficult process compared to previous times, because I was able to get a new tool. Sandpaper it to sandpaper the other side, and then we're good. And then let's see whether we can be able to fake mount the front.